Hello mga ka-char. So ito, try ulit natin one more time. Okay, so this one, what I did, I started with Google. Of course, I typed New Zealand Discretionary Pathway. Kasi nga yan yung case ko. So, I checked for satisfactorily. Oh, by the way, ito yung kiwi. Yung kiwi na yan, yung icon. You can always check that to make sure if or to ask anything about if you have any questions like you're not sure with something or you want to check the results of your practicing certificate, kung ano na ba nangyayari or anything you can ask on the QA. So, what is a certified document? So, a certified document, before you start with your application, make sure that everything is made by those people. Okay, so next is the list of our English test. So, ayan yung mga pwede mong i-take na test na kanilang, what do you call this? That they recognize. So, zinum ko dun sa Pearson test kasi nga, yun yung kinuha ko. Okay? So, again, makikita nyo yung kiwi dyan sa gilid. That is very helpful. It helped me a lot. So, again, I just click the registration and certification kasi it gives me an idea of what can I do or, just to read some of the things. Again, disclaimer lang po, I'm just showing you guys how I did my discretionary pathway on my own. We just need to read. I know it looks overwhelming to check these things, but it will really show you everything. They even have a YouTube channel of their own. So, when do you need to apply? So, makita nyo dito, the overseas trained teacher, on my end, I paid $564.37 for the provisional teaching certificate. Okay. So, again, I guess all teachers from overseas, they start with provisional. I'm not sure pero kasi nga, it's our first time there. And then after 2 years, we can get that full registration after we get our experience. So again, this one, overseas trained teacher ako. So yun yung ginamit ko. Another tip, you can see there, ayan no, yung blue, very important. You can ask, yung thread, kapag nag-apply na kayo, make sure kung sino yung case manager nyo, siya din yung tatanungan nyo kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo kasi they are very helpful. So, ako, si James, Mr. James, thank you. Kia ora, James. Thank you for helping me with my provisional practicing certificate. So, ayun. Very helpful yun. Pwede din pumirma yung here in the US pala, yung professional development na nag-train ako doon sa specific school kung nasan ako. Yung principal ko lang, si Dr. Cells. Oh, this one is very important, yung proof of identity or POI form. Make sure to download that. Okay? And then this one is proof of identity. Siyempre, kailangan yan. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko, identity referee, yung mga isa akin, if I'm living overseas. Pag sabi overseas, syempre, hindi ka nasa New Zealand. It doesn't mean, pag sinabing overseas is nasa US ka or nasa ano. Pag sabi overseas, you're not from New Zealand. Okay? Kasi may manabasa akong comment last time. Tapos yan, nakikita nyo din lahat ng kailangan. Oh, dito yung police bet. So, hello mga ka-char. So here we go again. So this is how we applied for the Teaching Council's Discretionary Pathway. First, I googled New Zealand Discretionary Pathway. So after I did type this one, okay, as you can see, yes baby, I typed this. And then I click the link and then you will see the requirements on this side. So if you are satisfactorily trained, you can see also the things that you could use or the things that you need to do. So in my case, I use discretionary pathway. So on the discretionary pathway, these are the things that I have provided. And the reason why I did the discretionary pathway is because I did not meet the core knowledge. So it's not equivalent to the New Zealand curriculum. So, of course, I prepared my NZQA. I also have the TOR, practicum, professional teacher registration, yung mga ganun, language proficiency, induction or mentoring. Pero yung induction or mentoring, yun yung I think I don't have. So, sa language competency requirements naman, what I prepared is actually the Pearson Test of English, PTE. So, there are a lot of options that you could use or you could do. You can do IELTS, you can do TOEFL IBT, you can also use Pearson Test of English. So, ako nga PTE yung ginamit ko. And hindi masyadong mataas yung akin, but I was able to meet the minimum requirements, which is 65. Ayan. So, thank you, Lord. So, of course, thank you, Lord, kasi at least yan. Just like what I told you guys on the previous video that I've had, yun yung ginawa ko. So, after that, of course, we need to log in to the Hapomori Matu 2 online. So, log in there. Wait. Yeah, I love your nails. So, again, babalik tayo dyan, magla-log in tayo. Okay? So, at first, wala pa tayong account. But even if wala pa tayong account, click pa din natin yun, yung log in to Mapuri. Matu2. Okay? So, after that, punta tayo dun sa entering teaching in New Zealand. So, actually, sabi ko nga, ano ba talaga yung una kong gagawin dito? Log in with your ESL to renew o yung entering teaching New Zealand? So, of course, ang gawin po natin is, yan, kung gusto magbasa-basa ng konti, scroll down ka lang ng konti dyan. But, of course, what we need to do is to actually do that one, yung entering teaching in New Zealand. So, ayan na nga. So, when you click the entering teaching in New Zealand, ayan. Pasensya na medyo matagal buffering kasi nga medyo ginagamay ko tong laptop ni hubby. So, ayan. Medyo wait lang tayong konti. So, of course, it's our first time. So, we are going to create our new account. So, when you create your account, choose your username and also choose your password. Okay? So, ayan na nga. So, ako, yan, ginawa namin yan. Okay. Fast forward. Okay, kailangan, syempre, ma-memorize mo yung mga yan in case lang. So, fast forward, we were able to make our username, our password, or question. So, you just have to click this once, yung responsibilities, yung mga ganyan, changing with the system, and that you accept all of it. Okay? So, just click I accept. So, again, we'll go back. Ayan na nga. You just need to complete your registration. Okay? So, ayun. So, again, go back tayo sa applying for provisional. So, tapos na kunyari lahat. So, balik tayo sa hapon mo Mata 2. And then, when we logged in, so, again, we will click the first time registration. So, ayan na nga, first time registration. Ang gagawin natin. So, again, make sure that everything that you need are already prepared. So, in my case, I prepared my licenses, ganyan. Yung passport, kasi kailangan yun, syempre kailangan yung date of birth mo, etc., etc. So, as you can see on top, you will be able to see yung identifying details. So, pwede mo siyang skip, tapos i-continue later on. Pwede din namang tuloy-tuloy hanggang dulo. So, okay ba yun? Ayan. So, yan. So, just a friendly reminder na when you're doing this, it would be best if you already prepared yung all your files or all your documents on your desktop para or in your on your desktop. It would be better. It would be in your desktop, and then make sure that it's on PDF file and clear copy. So again, one of the things that they are expecting from us is it's already certified true copy or yung notary public. So, again, lahat po kailangan yun. And one of the things that they also require, because in my case, just like what I said, I'm from the United States of America. So, my experience is 5 years ako dito sa US, so I have to go to FBI. One of their requirements is the last 10 years where you stayed. So, yung last 5 years ko is from Philippines, so I have to get an NBI clearance. Okay? So, the last other 5 years is here from the United States, so I have to do the FBI. And then, everything, again, should be signed by the notary public, okay, or lawyer. Since I have licenses then in what do you call this? Here in the United States, I submitted all the teacher licenses from different states. Kasi here in the US, unlike in the Philippines, yung PRC license natin is recognized in the whole in the Philippines. So kahit saan ka magturo, it will be part of it. But for me, but here in the US, just like what I said, everything will be different in each state. Okay. So again, balik lang tayo. So again, the contact details, sobrang dali na lang to. I also prepared yung work or yung reference letters, pinagsama-sama ko yun sa isang file. Basta lahat ng meron ako, again, it's certified true copy or it was signed by the notary public. So me and my husband did the same thing, and that's why it will be easier. So again, wag lang tayong make sure to read, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. So again, this is just how we did ours. Everything that you need to know is already on the website, on the Teaching Council website. So I just showed you how I did it, but you can actually do it by yourself also. You don't need anybody like a lawyer to help you to submit the required documents. You can do it by yourself. Kasi nga, madali lang naman, basa-basahin. Pag hindi kayo sure, again, you're very much feel free to comment down below or message me on my Facebook page. Okay? So that I can help you. So, until the very end, ayun na nga. So, gagawin ko na. Sagutan mo lang ng sagutan. Oh, tapos may kita mo din, of course, all the things that you have uploaded till the very end. So, usually mine took like 6 months because just like what I've said, I did not do the English test right away. Pero the good thing is they were able to give me my practicing certificate after I did my PTE. So,